Today we're going to be installing the 1/8" crown and drive adapter kit for Rollease tubes, which consists of a motor crown, a motor drive, and a retaining clip. And that is going to be put on a Rollease 0.2 Newton meter 18mm motor. The particular motor I have here is the 12-volt DC powered motor, but this motor also comes in a lithium ion built-in battery version, and the assembly is going to be the same. One thing you'll note is that the motor has a raised rib right by the motor head that the crown keyways need to align to. So this is just going to slide onto the motor, and you're going to need to visually look for those keyways to align onto the ribs. Now this is going to move on you more than likely. Don't worry about it. Just make sure when you go to slide it into the tube that it's properly positioned. The drive has two sides. It has a smooth side and it has a more open side. The smooth side goes to the motor. The more open side goes towards the tube. Reason being is that this side has a smaller diameter than this side, which makes it easier to slide into the tube. So you just slide this onto there, take your snap ring, and these can be sometimes hard to snap on. I'm just going to press it against the table here. You'll hear the click. And that's it.